Step 1. Follow a strength training program. Build your workouts around compound exercises like squats, deadlifts, bench presses, rows, and overhead presses. Train each major muscle group at least twice a week while gradually increasing the weight or repetitions over time. Step 2. Eat enough protein. Consume high-quality protein with every meal to support muscle growth and recovery. Good sources include lean meat, fish, eggs, dairy products, beans, tofu, and protein shakes if needed. Step 3. Eat more calories than you burn. To build muscle efficiently, maintain a small calorie surplus by eating nutrient-rich foods. Focus on balanced meals that include protein, healthy fats, whole grains, fruits, and vegetables. Step 4. Prioritize recovery and sleep. Muscles grow while you recover, not while you train. Aim for 7 to 9 hours of quality sleep each night and allow enough rest between intense workouts to maximize muscle repair. Step 5. Increase the challenge gradually. Practice progressive overload by slowly increasing the weight, repetitions, or training volume. Consistently challenging your muscles encourages continuous growth and strength gains. Step 6. Stay hydrated. Drink plenty of water before, during, and after exercise. Proper hydration supports muscle function, improves workout performance, and aids recovery. Step 7. Stay consistent with your routine. Muscle growth takes time. Stick to your training and nutrition plan for weeks and months rather than expecting immediate results. Consistency is the key to long-term success. Step 8. Track your progress. Record your workouts, body measurements, strength improvements, or progress photos. Tracking your results helps you stay motivated and identify when it's time to adjust your training or nutrition.